What's up, y'all? It's Screw the Rules here, and I got some more Lorcana packs to for y'all today. We got Into the Inklands today. You already know it is. I'm trying to get that enchanted. Specifically, I think from this set, I'm trying to get that Ursula enchanted. Just because it is a beautiful card. I think all the prices of the enchanteds went down, even the Elsa. So I think I'm just gonna grab that just for the nostalgic look on it. Robin Hood, Friend Like Me, and a bestow a gift for the cold foil. Man, that was a womp womp of a pack. Man, I feel like Into the Inklands is either gas or it's like a Come on, y'all, last pack magic. Come on, side up, bless it up, side up. Come on, we're trying to pull that enchanted, y'all. Oh my gosh, these packs are just so hard. Oh my gosh, they're actually hard to open. Jeez. Oh man. Alright, we're gonna go through really quick, y'all. Let's go. What do we get? Churnbuck followers, that's pretty cool. And a Tinkerbell. Man, that is a womp womp right there.